this next video, we are going to be looking at two-step equations. So we just did one step, now we're just going to add another one. So when solving multi-step equations, you will isolate the variable by doing the following, and you want to do it in this order. So first, you want to undoing all addition or subtraction. So that will be your first step. Whatever is added or subtracted from the variable, you're going to want to move that first. Then after that, you want to undo any multiplication or division. So when you look at an equation, if there's anything added to that, you're going to move it first. Anything subtracted, move that first. After that, do the multiplication or division. So for example, when I'm looking at this first problem, I want to get x by itself. I can't divide by 3 yet because there's still that minus 2 there. So my first step here is I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So that means those go away, and then 7 plus 2, I get 9. And now that the x is almost by itself, I can undo that multiplication. And so then I can undo that by dividing, just like what we did. And so I get x is equal to 3. And that's because when it's multiplying or dividing, it is just that much more attached to that x. The addition or subtraction, it can move easily, but not the multiplication or division. Okay, so let's look at this next one. So first, I look to see, is there anything added or subtracted to my variable? I see there is a negative 8 out in the front. I need to do the opposite sign of that to move it. Since there is a minus sign in front of that 8, that means I need to do a plus 8 to both sides. And when I say both sides, that means on both sides of the equation here, this equal sign. And then 10 plus 8, I get 18. And then now, I need to undo that division. Well, how do we undo division? We multiply. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. And so those cancel. And I get n is equal to 18 times 3, which gets me 54. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try doing those last two. So those are the answers that you should have gotten for those last two. Again, I had to move what was added first, and then when I divided out by -9, I got -1. And then same thing here. Here, since it was y divided by 5, I had to multiply both sides by 5, and I got 70.